rest of your eggs? Let's go find your eggs. Come on. How many do you have so far? How many do you have in there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? Let's go find more. Let's go find more. I see one. Oh. Good job! You found that all by yourself.
Put it in your basket.
Why don't you check over there? Over there, Milo. In there. In the bathroom.
Is there eggs in there?
Woo! You found one?
Get that egg.
Good job!
Good boy. Now check in the toilet.
No. What else? You hear that? Let's
Getting tired. Needs a break.
You get to see all your loot.
Oh!
How many do you have? 2? 3?
Say 3. 4.
5? Yeah!
No more. Well, let's find more.
Let's put all your eggs in your basket and go find more.
No, Mina, do not put all your eggs in one basket.
That's wise advice, Jeffrey. Oh, more eggs? More? Okay, let's go find more eggs. Let's put them all in the basket and go find more. Let's go find more eggs. All right, get your basket. Let's go look for more. Come on, let's go in your room. Let's go look in your room. You find any in your room? You gotta look really hard. Look at the hippo. Woo! You found candy. Put it in your basket. Good job. Yeah, it's candy. Put it in your basket. Yeah, put it in your basket, honey. Oh, you want to eat it, huh? Put it in your basket, hun. Alright, you can save it for later. Let's find more eggs. Do you see any more eggs? Milo, look for more eggs. Oh my gosh, you found one? Oh yeah. And you found more candy? What? 2? 2. Put it in your basket. Oh, you want to hide it under your hippo? Okay, put the egg in your basket. Okay, let's find more eggs. Go look at your toys over there. See if you find any more eggs. Over there. Go look. Go look at your truck. Milo, go look at your truck. No, your other truck. Other truck. Other truck. The big one. Yeah, that truck. Oh! What? You found another egg? Oh my gosh. Good job. Should we go look outside more? Come on, let's go look. Oh, you found another candy? And another egg? Milo. You found a little stash for your candy, I see there. What about where your books are? Do you see any more eggs? There's one more egg. Yeah, good job. Nice. All right, let's get going. Let's find more eggs. Come on, let's go find more eggs. Where else? Where else should we find eggs? I know. How about right here? Milo. Milo. Over here. Eggs. Over there. Over there. Over there. You see? Nice. Good job, buddy. Are you happy with your eggs and your straw?
What'd you get? You got a bunch of balls. With candy? Where's your football? Oh.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, candy everywhere. Football.
So now you can put your football in your basket.
How about your dinosaur? Where's your dinosaur? Where's your dinosaur? Your ball, yeah. How about your dinosaur? Where's your dinosaur? How about your dinosaur? What was that ball? What's in it?
Thank you. Thank you. You want to open it? Oh, candy.